This is DSTYLE FREEIMO. No fins, no tail, no arms. Can this lure really catch fish? Hello, this is Angler Waki. I am a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. I upload fishing videos every week introducing Japanese fishing trends and techniques. I hope you enjoy my channel. DSTYLE FREEIMO. IMO. IMO is one of the soft lure genres in Japan. Imo means potato in Japanese, but it can also mean caterpillar. In this context, I believe we call it Imo because the lure looks like a caterpillar. I think the history of the Imo style started with a simple customization, cutting the tail off a single tail grub. Yeah, Japanese anglers sometimes cut off the tail of a single tail grub and fish it like a chubby senko. And here we have DSTYLE FREEIMO. DSTYLE FREEIMO has a lot of ribs and is softer than other IMO style lures, which are usually solid and firm. How to rig it? Just rig it weightless Texas style. On that day, fishing was very slow. I had nothing for a couple of hours. When the sun went down, finally fish got active. Let's check out the fishing footage. How to fish? It's simple. Cast and slowly drag the lure on the bottom. If it's a high season, giving it twitches will also work. Just be careful not to get snagged. But don't drag it fast. Slow, slow, and slow. It'll be the key to success. There's something on the bottom. Okay. Baby bass. Baby bass. Okay, cast and just slowly drag the lure. It's a very slow fishing. You may be bored watching it, but such an approach could work when we fish in a highly pressured spot. This lure could be used with a bait finesse system. If we fish covers, sounds like baitcaster is preferable. But in general, an ultralight spinning setup can be much easier to handle. Anyway, as the sun went down, fish started biting. Let's focus. Yes! DSTYLE FREEIMO! No big fish, but it's fine. Anything better than getting skunked. So many anglers came and left, came and left. A very busy spot. But with a really careful approach, we could catch fish. People call it finesse style, I think. You may think, you just drag the lure. That's it. It's not a technique. Yeah, I'll get it. But just keep slowly dragging the lure, feeling the bottom is not that easy. How to manipulate the rod and line, how to deal with the wind. There are many factors I actually care about. Thank you for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up! Share this video with your friends and community. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Green sunfish. Wow, yes.